Hi everyone, welcome back to Livy's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. I'm your craft host Fam, and I'm just here to show you a few cards that I made to send out to friends and family out of state. All of these cards are made using the same cardstock, the same pattern paper, and doilies, and so they all have different sentiments, but the embellishments and the paper is pretty much the same throughout. So I picked up this set of glitter glass from Tuesday Morning, along with this stamp set, Bible journaling stamp set, and I used this in this set, but this was only $1.99. I don't remember what the brand of this glitter glass is, but I'm sure if you go online you can find something similar. And I just want you to notice that the grain is not, this is not a fine glitter, okay? It's definitely a little on the chunky side, which I actually like. So there's white, there's gold, there's a more pewter color, which I don't know if you can tell the difference in the two. This one's yellower. It also came with the brown, which is like a chocolate color, copper, and a gunmetal black. It looks darker on camera than it is, but all of these I think I picked up for $3.99 or $4.99. I'm not sure, again, who the brand is by, but I thought it was a good deal. And I just redid the box so it can sit on my desk and I can look at them and use them. Otherwise, they'll stay hidden and I'll never get my money's worth. Anyways, and the Bible journaling stamp is by AC. It was $1.99. It's by American Crafts. So the first card, and all of them have the doily. This one says, "The days are long, but the years are short." It has the paper flower popped up on a foam square. Then there's gold faceted bling flatbacks on them, and on the inside I will add another layer of paper just so that I can handwrite the sentiments that I want for each card, for each recipient. This one says, "Let your light shine," and it is from the American Crafts stamp set. It has the paper flower along with the centers, the bling, doily, and a little bit of the gold glitter glass. The next one is, this one says, "Ain't no shame in that minivan game." And I made this one for one of my sisters in New York, and it's because, you know, she's a fabulous woman naturally, just dressed impeccably all the time, latest fashion, latest trends. But when she became a mom, she had to trade in the sedan for a minivan, and I would never let her hear the end of it. So she didn't actually trade it in. I think she had to park it in the driveway and, you know, get the minivan so she could add car seats, you know. But in any event, so that's who I made that for, and I added a little stitching around here just for visual interest. Some of them I did the corners on, some of them I didn't. This one is more simple, and it says "Little Things." And this one I created for a friend whose kids are adults now. But it's the little things that we remember about our kids that we reflect back on and brings joy to our hearts. So I wanted to send that to her. And again, it has the doily and the bling and the paper flower. And this is just a sticker that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, I believe. Yeah. And this one says "Motherhood fueled by coffee, powered by love." And if you notice, this sticker that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, I added glitter glass to it to make it look like liquid gold, because for some of us mothers, we know that coffee is like gold. And then lastly is "World's Best-ish Mom," and there's a little bit of glitter glass added here. You got the doily and the paper flowers, and it's popped up on foam tape. So these cards I made, I hope these cards inspire you to pull out your scraps, and even if you don't have a variety of different papers, use what you got. create from the heart, and whoever you create it for, they will feel the love that you send in these sentiments that we create. With that being said, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And until we meet here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative in crafting. Bye for now.